Try tayo ng isa, guys. Ang lambot, as in. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Yummy, yummy. Habang mainit pa, guys. As in. Sarap. Oh, ang ganda. Hello everyone! So in this video, we are going to make pandesal. So we will be needing 1.5 cup of warm water, 7 grams of yeast, butter, all-purpose flour, powdered milk, bread flour, salt, breadcrumbs, sugar, and vegetable oil. So, let's start! So, ang unang gagawin natin kapag gumagawa tayo ng tinapay ay i-bloom muna natin yung yeast or i-activate muna natin yung yeast natin. So, kailangan natin ng warm water. Hindi mag-activate yung yeast natin kapag cold water yung nilagay or too hot yung nilagay nating tubig. So, it has to be warm or yung tinatawag natin na maligamgam sa Tagalog. Ayan. So, lalagay lang natin yung tubig natin. And isusunod natin yung yeast. So, ang gagamitin natin yeast sa bread na gagawin natin ay active yeast. Ayan. So, iiwan lang natin dyan at papanoorin natin yung activation ng ating yeast. It usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes para mag-activate ang yeast natin. So, maghihintay lang tayo ng konti. So, that's it guys. Okay na yung yeast natin. Unti-unti na natin ilalagay yung iba pang ingredients. So, ilagay na natin yung oil. We are using vegetable oil. Maglalagay tayo ng 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup ng oil. 3/4 cup white sugar. ½ teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of bread flour. As you can see guys, hindi tayo gagamit ng egg. Tabi lang natin yung flour natin kasi baka kailanganin ulit natin mamaya ng konti kung masyadong wet yung ating mixture. And then, magdadagdag din tayo ng 1/2 cup ng milk. So, yan lang guys. Yun lang yung mga ingredients natin. And mag-start na tayong i-knead yung ating dough. Lagay lang natin yung hook. Then, dinagdag na natin yung butter natin, guys. Ayun na guys, 10 minutes is over. Kaya ita-transfer na natin sa ating bowl. Sa ibang bowl, I mean. Guys, i-cover lang natin ng damp cloth or cling wrap. Ayan. Then, mas mabilis umalsa kapag nilagay sa mas medyo mainit na lugar, like inside the oven, ganun. So, I'm gonna put this inside the oven and check it after 2 hours. Ito na yung pina-rice natin na dough, guys. After 2 hours, ayan, sabay-sabay natin tignan. Ayan na siya, doubled in size na. 2 hours ang sinabi ko kasi malamig na dito sa Australia, kaya kailangan ng more time ng dough para mag-rise. So, we're just gonna punch it down to release the air. Bam, 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 bam. And pwede na natin i-shape into pandesal shape. And we have decided to make garlic scrolls, garlic bread scrolls. Kaya hahatiin natin yung dough into 2 para maging pandesal and maging garlic bread scrolls. Ayan na!
So, ito na yung dough natin for pandesal, guys. Meron ko na siya ng ganyan. Ikakat na lang natin tapos i-dip sa tawag nito, breadcrumbs. Ang lambot, as in. Gusto ko yung malambot na tinapay. Kahit ilang araw to, guys. Malamig dito kaya tumitigas yung tinapay. Pero pag minicrowave naman ng mga kahit 10 seconds lang, okay na ulit. Kaya, ganun lang ang gagawin natin. Ito yung dough natin, guys. Tapos isasawsaw pala. Lalagyan lang natin ng breadcrumbs. I-cover natin ng breadcrumbs. Ganun lang. Very easy naman. Thank you, darling. Can you check the pasta, please? Thank you. Thank you. Making 6 pandesal. How's that? Or one more. And then the rest will be scrolls. What's that? Big pandesal? Mas the bottom is just with bigger pandesal. Okay. How's that? Oh, it's a bit big. Huh? It's a bit bigger. So. And that's it. It's good. I'll say like a sandwich. Okay, like that. And one big pandesal for Mr. Smith. For egg and bacon roll. I'll be fine. Then, set aside na natin yun. And this is for our scrolls. Ito.
Ito na guys, they're ready to go into the oven. I'm just going to baste our garlic bread scrolls with butter and garlic.